I would love to talk about a potentially touchy subject today, but I think it's a subject that not many people commonly address. And it's really this idea that maintenance and reliability, from at least what I've seen, is traditionally a more male dominated sector. And I'm curious, Anna, working in this sector in maintenance and reliability, could you tell us a little bit more about what it's like working in this space as a woman?
Yeah, I've been doing it for a while. In one word, I would just say challenging. It really is. But for me, it's a challenge accepted sort of thing. Um, sometimes it seems like, the men and the women are speaking completely different languages. You may use the same terms, but the way you describe things may be a little different. And so it becomes a little clouded. To me, in that, it's become crucial to just, when that happens, to come back, like to step back and to try to gain that understanding and convey things in a different way, and really have, patience with the people that you're working with, to know and to understand that you all have the same common goal and the same, and so you work together that way. In my experience, one example of that could be, some men do have a very clear-cut way of thinking, that things can only be successful if it's done one way, and it's the way they've always done it, and they see no reason to change. And not just women, but I think the younger generation is working a lot on trying to change that and change that mindset. And so, while this could be true from a technical perspective, sometimes giving a more emotionally intuitive spin could get things done faster or better in conjunction with other work, and improved teamwork can be just as effective or better than the technology in the long run as a
Yeah.
solution.
Absolutely. So what I hear, Anna, is that it's not so much about, it has to do with trying to change the mindset of people who have been in the industry for a very long time, and making sure that the case that we bring, as let's call it the younger generation, is worth listening to.